Today, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work with columns when you already have a table, right? So let's take this posts table, right? So we have a posts table. I have these 4 columns, but maybe I would need another column like categories, for example, right? So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a column, alter the contents of that column, and how to delete that column as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to go into my backend again, my Node.js backend, and I've already shown you how to do all of this, just in case you were wondering, in the Node.js Neon installation tutorial. So the command to create a new column in our pre-existing table is really simple. You use the command alter and then table, and then you specify which table you want to target. Mine is posts, and then I'm going to tell it to add a column called category, and then you just tell it what type of column this is, which I'm going to say varchar, okay, and I'm going to say 4. Now I have done this on purpose to show you a few things by adding 4, but this is to specify how many characters you want to allow into this column. Okay, so using this, I am just going to save this, and then using this I'm going to make a request, and then you will see the category column added to my pre-existing posts table. As you can see, it's done. So if I refresh this, you will see that the category column is now added. Okay, but let me just manually add something in this. Okay, let's say this is a travel blog, right? So I'm gonna say the category for this is going to be New York. Okay, let's just add that. Okay, but you will see this. Let me just try and save this. And you will see that we have a value too long for type character varying 4. Okay, so basically what this is saying is that I cannot add a value that is longer than 4 characters. Okay, so that means I would have to alter this table so that I could then increase that, so that I can increase the amount of characters that are allowed by this column. So to do that, I'm going to go back and use alter table again, posts, but this time I'm going to change this. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is say column. So I'm saying that alter the table posts column, which is category. Okay, and then I'm going to say type to specify what type this is, which can be integer, string, so on and so forth. There are many, but we set ours to varchar, which is varchar, like this. And then I'm going to specify that I want to make this, let's say, 100 characters. Okay, which is long, but I'm going to specify 100. You can change this again. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go here, and now I'm going to make a request again. Alter table posts. Oh, you needed to add alter here as well. So alter table posts, alter column, category, which is of type varchar. So what this is doing is saying alter table posts, and inside of that alter the column and target this category, and it will have this type. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to send the request again. Yeah, it altered it this time. So here I'm actually going to cut this out. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this time, refresh it, and This time I'm going to paste that back in, and this time I'll save this, and you can see that now I am able to add a category into this. So this is how you create and alter the column of a table, okay? And let's say I don't need this anymore, right? So there is a simple command to then drop a column, which is basically the same thing, alter table posts, and then what you do is do drop column, and then you just specify what column you want to drop, which is category. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to send request, and now if I refresh this, you will see that the category column, also all of the data that was in the category column, is now gone. Okay, so I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.